What's up again, guys? Carlos and Marcy. I just showed you guys this TQI unboxing. Put a link up there. So now it's all set. I have the receiver in the Traxxas receiver box, the original for the Slash, because I had my other receiver in that box from the Stampede. So I no longer have to use this ugly looking thing. Look at the difference between the TQI and this. Okay, so let's plug in my Genzace. This is hard, but I could do it. Alright, first time or second time doing that. So, turn on the transmitter first. On. Get my iPod. And let me put the lock. Okay, so as you can see, there it is. Slash 4F4 Ultimate. It automatically chose the Slash 4F4 Ultimate when I plug it into the receiver, to the transmitter. So I'm guessing that the guy I bought it from had it on a Slash 4x4 Ultimate. So what we're gonna do is plug it into the remote. Always unlatch that, open that. I put 2 of the biggest spacers, foam spacers. Seems about right height. So plug that in from all sides and lock it. Locked. So it takes a while, but then it's gonna pick up that the transmitter is on. So there it shows. I put in some brand new AA's in there, 4. So now we're gonna turn on the RC. Okay, so on button. There's a green light, and there's that green light. So no tricks. This is linked up. Okay, no tricks. Alright, so I did have a problem. As soon as I linked the remote with the receiver, the Slash started going forward. So I fixed that. That's the only problem I had. So subscribe and make sure to check out the unboxing of the TQI. And I'll see you guys later.